Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create an infinite slider gallery in Wix Studio. So as you can see right here, this is a site where I have created an infinite loop and logo for my website. So here on the other tab, I am on my Wix Studio, and of course, you have to log into your Wix Studio account or Wix account and then go to your site, and then you'd be able to see here all of your website. So now to create an infinite slider gallery, we are going to select a site or create a new site right here at the top right, and then start creating with Studio Template or Studio Blank Canvas. Okay, so for this video, I'm just going to create a new one with a blank canvas. Then click on the plus icon at the top left, and then I just have to go to the media option. Okay, that's right. And then here, you'll be able to see this option. So let me just go back to the media. Okay, so right here you have this options for the images. So we have single images and pro galleries. Okay, so for this one, what we are going to use is the pro galleries. So we just have to select the template after that. Okay, so for this one, I am going to use this template right there. Okay, so here you've got a different template, but for this video I think I'll be using this one right there. So let me just add this one. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like, and then when we preview this one, you'll be able to see how this image works. Okay, so just click on the preview option at the top right, and then if you think this one is good and can attract customers and give your customers a very functional site, then you can use this one. Okay, so let me try another template that we can use. So let me just go back to the media and go to the pro galleries, and I'll be using this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that you'll be able to see that template right here. So in preview this one, this is how it's going to look like when someone visits your website and they're going to click on this navigation icon. Okay, so now let's begin editing this template. So here when you click on this template, we are going to stretch it out first. Okay, so just click on the stretch icon. Then after that, just have to close this one right here. Then let us try to preview this one. Okay, so now that we are done stretching out this template, let us proceed to customizing this template. So just click on this one, and the next thing you should do is to click on the settings. And then here you have your main, layout, settings, design, advanced, and support. So just have to go to these things right here. So let's start with the layout. So you just have to pick a layout. So you can customize this one or use the presets layout. Okay, so let's go back to the custom, and I am going to use the slider, of course. Okay, so you have here different options. You just have to select your choice. And then here you can also click on customize layout if you want to make any changes. Now let's go to the settings. So here, what would you want to do with this layout? So here you can expand this one right here. So when clicking on this linked or on the items, so I just have to choose any of this. Okay, and then going to the design, so we have here the overlay and icons, so we can change the color of the background, the opacity, and we also have this effects or animations. So yeah, let me try this one. So if you think this animation is good for your site, then you can choose that. Next one is the text. So here you would like to include the title and the description. And for the info position, so you have here underneath. So here you can choose what happens to the info on this section. So we have appears, disappears or no change. Okay, so let's go back right here, and then here we can also customize our buttons and navigation arrows. So here is our navigation. So if you want to use this icon, you just have to simply click on it. Then if you want to add more icon, just click on the plus icon and then choose your navigation arrow. So I think I'll be using this one. Next thing is the item style. We also have here. Okay, so you can change the color, you can add an animation if you want to. So here we also have the scroll animation. We have this animations. Okay, so just have to choose your what you think is the best for this section. And then here you're gonna also customize the expand mode. Okay, so now that we're done here for the advanced, you can also go to the play videos section. So if you want to explore these things, just go here and then just have to read the text. Okay, and then once you're done with the advanced section, let us now close this one and then try to add our own media for this infinite gallery slider. So here, just click on the manage media option. That's right. And then here we can delete or add another section. So for example, this one, I don't want to include this, so just have to remove. Or just change media or upload your own media. So you can upload your own media from your computer or use media from Wix. So for this video, I'm just going to use media from Wix. And then after that, just click on update. So if you would like to remove a specific section, you just have to simply click on the remove option. Okay, so for the second one, I'm going to add this image. So I'm going to use media from Wix as well. Okay, so after this one, let me show you how you can remove an item. So for example, I don't want to include this video, so I'm just going to click on the three dots and click on remove, and this one as well. Okay, so you can also change the order of these images. So you just have to simply drag and drop and then click on done after that, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then the images that you have uploaded will appear right here. So let me just preview this infinite slider. Okay, so now the edit is ready. If we clicked on the navigation arrow, as you can see right there, you'd be able to proceed to the next images. But as you can see, okay, we're not able to create an infinite gallery because we did not change the layout. So go back to your settings and go to the layout, and then make sure to turn it on the loop images. Okay, so toggle the switch on for this one. Then after that, let us preview and try to see if it is working. So here, just click on this preview option once again, and then let me try to click on the navigation arrow if we're able to see the very first image of this slider. So as you can see, we have successfully created an infinite slider gallery in Wix Studio. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye!